Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scrambled eggs for weight loss. First, select your eggs wisely. Whole eggs offer complete nutrition, while egg whites provide pure protein with fewer calories. Next, gather a variety of colorful, non-starchy vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, or mushrooms. These additions significantly increase the volume and nutrient density of your meal without adding many calories. Finally, prepare your cooking surface with a small amount of healthy fat. For healthy scrambled eggs, begin with 2 to 3 whole eggs or 4 to 5 egg whites for a substantial protein boost. Next, chop about 1 cup of your favorite non-starchy vegetables, such as vibrant bell peppers, fresh spinach, or savory mushrooms. These ingredients add essential vitamins and minerals while keeping your calorie count low. For cooking, use just 1 teaspoon of olive oil or a light spray of non-stick cooking spray to minimize added fats. Season simply with a pinch of black pepper and a dash of dried herbs. To cook, first gently whisk your eggs in a bowl until the yolks and whites are just combined, avoiding overmixing. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding your 1 teaspoon of olive oil or cooking spray. Sauté your chosen vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Cook slowly, stirring occasionally with a spatula until the eggs are set but still moist and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. To enhance your weight loss scrambled eggs, serve them immediately while warm. You can pair them with a small slice of whole grain toast for a balanced meal, providing complex carbohydrates. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley, adds a burst of fresh flavor without extra calories. For an even more substantial meal, consider adding a small portion of lean protein like turkey bacon or smoked salmon. Remember to experiment with various vegetable combinations to keep your meals exciting and nutritious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.